Let's make this delicious banana cherry bread. Its texture is soft and tender. In a bowl, sift your dry ingredients, all-purpose flour, baking powder and baking soda. Also whisk this mixture with a wire whisk. Take 2 bananas in another bowl and mash them with the help of a fork. Add melted butter and mix it with the mashed bananas. Add the eggs and the vanilla extract and whisk these until combined. Add white and brown sugar and whisk again until everything is combined together. Make a well in the center of the dry ingredients and add the wet ingredients. Mix this gently with the rubber spatula. Now add the fresh cherries, washed, pitted and cut into halves. Mix them gently into the batter. Transfer the batter into the prepared loaf pan. Sprinkle some more cherries on the top. Bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. Once baked, take it out of the oven and let it cool. Once cool, take it out of the pan, onto a plate or a platter and cut into desired size slices. Now, enjoy and happy baking!